Well guys, another video. As you can see, today we're going to take apart my interior. Right now my interior, I painted it purple. Purple is my favorite color, but I want to change it up for next year. So I got marble wrap. Gonna do my whole dashboard. The sides are carbon fiber, but I'm going to take that off and do marble. So I'm going to show you the process of how I lay the wrap down, and I'm going to go into the garage and take everything apart so it'll be easy for you guys to do it. So I'll see you in the garage. The tools you will need is basically, not everyone will have them, but like a plastic clip tool. I have like two right here. You can use a flat screwdriver if you really want to, but put tape at the bottom of it so you don't damage the panel. I'm also going to use probably a pick tool that has like an angle on it. I have somewhere in here. Actually can't find it, but this one should be fine, just like a little pick. You don't really need much to take the interior apart, but I'll show you that right now. So on the passenger side, this door panel is just, you basically pull it. Mine's been taken apart so many times, so it's easy for me to take it out. Basically, there's a bunch of clips on the bottom. You want to stick the pick tool into the crevice. Like, I've taken this apart, so like over time the panel starts to get easier and easier to take apart. So this just picks right off, and then you have your panel. So the interior has a bunch of pieces, like this one right here. You actually kind of just, grab your two fingers on the bottom, apply a little bit of pressure, like squeeze it, like you were going to just squeeze it, and then basically pull, and then it pops right off. See? Like that. Pops right off. The same panel is the same exact way. You're just going to grab it. Here we go. Move you guys over a little bit. Here we go. You're going to go like this. You can use a pick tool. Just stick your pick tool in. Apply a little bit of pressure. Kind of go wiggle back and forth, and it picks right out. Be gentle with it because you don't want to break the clips. And then it pops right off. As you can see, pops right off. So with the side vents on the side, it's going to be kind of hard to do this with one hand. But there's like these little grooves on the inside and the outside. You kind of can just put a pick tool in and kind of just pop it right off. As you can see, if you get like a tiny little pick tool, like with a nose on it, you can kind of just clip it right out. So with your center console, you have the shift boot. So there's about there's four Phillip heads, and you're just gonna unscrew it to undo the shift boot on the bottom. So get those done. Bop, 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 bop. Yes, Phillips head's gotta come out. Oopsie. And here's the last one right here. Then your shift boot should just pop right off. As you can see, pops right off. So you can get the wrap inside here and underneath the other side. You're gonna wanna, if you do have vinyl on it on the previous, you're just gonna want to heat it up and undo it, because it's easier if you heat it up, because you're gonna be sitting here for a little bit to undo all the vinyl. So after that, you're gonna get a microfiber towel or a paper towel, doesn't really matter, whatever works for you. You want to get basically rubbing alcohol, get 70%, spray it onto the microfiber towel and clean the surface as good as possible. You want to make sure there's no wax, nothing on the panel, because that will just make the vinyl not want to stick. Well, so the camera was off, I thought it was on, and I kind of just laid down this side and explained what I did. But basically, as you can see, the vinyl is laid on the top. So like once you get this all laid flat, you can apply a little bit of heat, and so you can start with the sides of it. So with the sides of it, you're gonna want to like pull it a little bit. You're gonna cut a little bit of extra vinyl so you can put your finger underneath it. You don't want to cut it too short and then start pulling at it, because your fingerprint will show up on the vinyl and then it will show up on the panel. You always want to push down. You want to make sure that all the air is out from underneath the vinyl as best as you can. You can lift up the vinyl to maneuver it around, but apply a little bit of heat to get all the wrinkles out of the way. So I did the center console. Here it is right here with the shift boot back in. I just did the buttons as well. I just didn't like the silver look, so I did it anyway. Here's the vent right here. Did that up just now. Looks a lot better, looks cleaner. And then tucked all the way around, and then cut it around like so. Well guys, I finished wrapping. I did the side, I did right here, the vent, this whole dashboard right here. It's all nice marble up against here. The center console, and on the opposite side, the door right here. I'm sorry, it's really hard to see, and this vent right here. So as you can see, the interior is done for now. I'll probably change it up again, show you more stuff that's going to go on with the car. But yeah, the interior is done. I hope I explained it to you in great detail. That is always my main goal, is try to explain it in great detail for you guys. There'll be more videos coming up soon. Hopefully more work comes in so I can show you guys more on what I do. But if you haven't already, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys soon.